Hey everyone, welcome back to AI XB Evolve, your go-to channel for the latest in AI-powered tools and technology. Today, we're diving into some revolutionary AI learning tools that are changing the way we study and teach. Whether you're a student, teacher, or someone who just loves to learn, stick around because these tools are game changers. Let's get started. First up, we have Shiken, an all-in-one AI learning platform that's designed to make learning faster and more efficient. Imagine combining the best of apps like Quizlet, Notion, and ChatGPT all into one powerful tool. With Shiken, you can create quizzes, flashcards, and even entire courses with just a few clicks. It's perfect for students who want to achieve higher grades in less time, and for educators looking to streamline their teaching process. One of the coolest features of Shiken is its AI-powered note-taking and active recall system. You can upload any text, document, or link, and Shiken's AI will instantly transform it into interactive learning content. No more wasting time on traditional methods. This tool does the heavy lifting for you, turning your materials into quizzes, exams, or even role-play scenarios. It's especially great for language learners or anyone preparing for job interviews. Shiken also helps with student engagement. You can set up live quizzes for the classroom, or even host multiplayer games remotely. Imagine your students competing with each other in real time, staying motivated while learning. And if you're an educator with too much admin work, don't worry. Shiken has over 50,000 pre-made questions and learning products to choose from. You can jump right in and start teaching with minimal prep time. But that's not all. Shiken goes beyond academics. With built-in mindfulness exercises and daily motivational quotes, it helps students manage stress, especially around exam time. Staying focused and calm is a big part of academic success, and this tool integrates those practices seamlessly. For all you creators out there, Shiken also offers a creator plan, allowing you to monetize your expertise. You can create your own learning products, track student progress, and even build courses tailored to specific needs. It's a perfect platform if you're looking to share your knowledge and make an impact. So whether you're a student trying to ace your exams, a teacher looking to modernize your classroom, or even a content creator, Shiken has something for you. With features like AI-generated quizzes, flashcards, mindfulness exercises, and customizable courses, it truly is a one-stop shop for learning. What do you think about these AI learning tools? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI XB Evolve, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.